Right
Look at what you
there.
fucking did, you idiot!
I did not even have a choice.
You willed it to happen.
Because I roll third, which means any of you fuckers can activate the bomb.
You can press the button, Star. I didn't even know you could flick the control stick for it.
Star's smart because he's gonna buy the star and have no money to lose.
True.
Yeah, that's. I don't know. I don't know why that fucking happened. I just got back, by the way.
No.
Oh, he's going for the cheese. He's going for the cheese. Why are you surprised you used it? Ooh.
5 coins. Oh,
Oh
what the
my
heck?
word!
Well, I guess I was wrong. That's not surprising, though.
D-Bones is in the
Oh,
game.
dude, here we go.
Please don't do this.
Oh, dude.
My money.
Content.
This is probably my favorite board.
This works out because it's not Brando getting 2 stars early on.
If I lose half, I could still afford the store at the bottom left.
Yeah. True.
Wait, why'd you use the hidden block anyways right now, Star? Now you're about to lose your coins.
Because he might have gotten 2 stars this turn.
He tried to go for the double cheese.
Oh, I see. So it's for style points.
Back up there.
You gotta circle around.
Here.
I'm tempted to, but I might
Yeah,
not.
I said coins on purpose.
And I like to say corns. Uh-oh. Oh,
gosh.
Oh,
You guys like explosions?
he's committing suicide! Don't do it!
How much do you guys lose?
Pretty sure it's half. Yeah.
Damn!
Ow!
Good job, Star. The
Ow.
attack on Brando has only just begun.
Yo, I'm in first now. Let's go.
Damn,
I won.
I won $1.
Let's drink some habit.
Oh my Christ. He's
no.
gonna roll.
Okay.
So you can either unlucky or...
Oh.
Dude, like... It's fine. What's up, Magic Koopa? Or is your name Kamek in this one?
Okay.
Damn it, in this one. What's gonna happen?
A star moves. Give me some money.
Okay.
Oh, he
Maybe.
gives 5 to me. Ooh,
Oh,
You just
Okay.
paid him for making you lose half your points.
I guess
thanks,
so.
man.
But I need to get to that item shop, dude. 3.
Okay, another one.
Now
Man,
I'm in
place.
first.
Damn it, dude.
Actually,
Yeah, he can get another star, like, right now.
instead of going to the store, I'm gonna do a lap. None of us have any pals yet. A shame.
You might get one.
Yeah, I'm
I think you're
powerless.
off by 1, actually, or by 2. At Palace?
A mushy? Alright.
Another 2v2?
Could be 2?
Oh,
Oh,
Oh!
debate.
Back in the day, 4 reds meant a battle game.
paparazzi. Oh, okay.
Oh, this one's a little tricky. Okay, so you gotta flick downwards to throw. But I think if you flick lightly, it's a smaller throw.
Oh, yeah, this one sucks.
Yeah.
Wait, Ellen.
But like, it's like you hold the button, big throw. Hello, I'm holding it. So it's like little throw. Oh
I
god.
see.
Motion controls, baby.
Okay, I got it. This
I
sucks.
love
I don't like this one, dude. I prefer
I love motion.
3 throw.
Yeah.
Give me 3 throw, dude.
It's a little finicky between like throwing low and throwing high.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Brando
Hello?
don't throw it at all, dude.
Throw it, Daisy! What's going on? I'm pressing it!
I'm doing lightly, man.
Is my thing not reading? Hello? My Joy-Con's lit up!
Rip Brando, dude.
Oh no!
Go up
Hey, I
top!
got one.
Come on!
Guys, I got one.
Come on! Let me
I
snipe
got
it!
another. I got another.
Let's go!
Ew.
I sniped first! Oh my god!
Oh my
I
god.
don't know, dude.
Dude, I've never had that many games fail on me.
Brando was just
Yeah.
standing there watching us win.
I
That was pretty
pressing
bad.
the buttons.
Dude, I don't know
Oh.
how I won that.
Yikes.
I actually like that one.
I love you said that because you.
Well, let's see.
What an upset. Ooh.
First again, but not for long.
D-Bones,
Unless
where you
Clark
headed?
can snipe this somehow.
Very possible.
You can use your mush and get a 6.
Very possible.
Let's see.
It's
You've
fine if he does.
pretty much only been getting 1s on that block. Now it's time for the 6s.
Gambler's fallacy.
Oh, it's too early. Damn.
Ooh.
You get a friend though, so it's worth
Ooh,
Oh,
yeah, true.
Just one good friend.
It's a win-win.
Who are you gonna
Where are
get?
you getting? Are you getting Ninja
it.
too?
Bowser!
Cooper.
Oh, you're alive, brother.
You won't even need mushrooms half the time when you start collecting friends.
True.
Okay, well, I'm not rolling that one.
You got just enough cash.
5? Letter shop. Letter
Yep,
shop.
there's the pipe.
There it is.
I need it, dude. I was one off from the Aller space, but that's okay.
Now Boo's turn.
Hey. Oh, no more dice block. Let me get a 3 so I
You
can
might
get
get a
Buddy.
friend too.
Nope, I am out of here.
Either lucky or item.
Give
Ooh.
me something good. Okay.
$3.
Oh, slow down.
You were so excited the game had a heart attack. It always happens randomly.
King
on-
Bob-omb, dude.
He's
Ten
talking,
is
dude.
mustache.
I'm not taking any chances. Even though the 3 would have
Get this
guaranteed
guy,
it.
dude.
I just want to get off this square.
He looks off King Bomb's wild ride. King Bob-omb's.
They'll be out of here.
Wow.
I don't got time to talk, Turdette. I need to get out of here before this place self-destructs again.
You got
still
5
got
whole
5.
lives. Yeah, it's like...
You're golden.
You got a star. I'm already doing better than last time. I actually won a non-team minigame. Let's go.
Not
Where's she
last time,
headed?
that's for sure.
To the right, maybe, I hope.
Yep.
Ooh, I cannot get there.
Dude, if I went right, man.
If you went right.
But I would have gone down too. I wasn't gonna do that.
Alright. What we playing? What we playing?
Oh, 4-player.
Money game?
Money, money, money. Nope.
This
What's
one's pretty
one? I don't
goofy.
At
remember.
least we're getting new ones.
Very true. This one's fun. You gotta hold down to get your magnet and bring it back to your corner.
Oh. Can you steal? Try and steal this from me, sir.
I think you can.
Oh yeah, it looks like he was stealing my shit. Give me that gold.
Oh! It went to Goober.
Oh yeah, if you bump into someone, they drop all their shit, dude.
Oh, Jesus. Never played it aggressively ever.
Why did I go
All
for the
golds
middle?
are on your side.
Dude, why did I go for the middle one when the golds were right here?
Hello?
All on
This'll
my
be a
side
fun one.
again. Come here,
Mine! Mine!
Goombert. I'll take that.
Give me that last one.
No. Okay. Can you please ready
Alright.
up, Star?
He's had enough.
You're gonna play a minigame 4 times on a single turn, dude. That's so much fun.
Let's do it.
Yep. Ooh, let's go. Come on, get those. Let's go. We take those.
Oh,
Oh God, slow down.
bring him home. Bring him home.
It's because Brando's internet is
Regardless of the slowdown, bring him home.
Yeah.
is going through it.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, dude.
Oh my
This is
God.
cool.
Jeez.
You ready for the longest
Let's go.
20 seconds? You ready for the longest 20 seconds of your life?
Yeah, dude. Let's go.
Let's
Oh my
go.
gosh.
It's really only been 8 seconds,
This
dude.
is why the new game has saving mid-turn.
Damn, you just sniped
This
that.
is why
Star.
the new game has saving mid-game, so we could like double check stuff. I can't double check the web because then it'll risk a communication error. Let's go! Oh no!
How'd you guys get so much? Oh my gosh.
I didn't go for the gold balls. You guys left all the silver balls there. I grabbed those.
I mean, most of the silvers weren't even on my side. It was just golds.
May I ask
That
how you
didn't work
controlled the panels?
Huh?
This man was controlling the panels with his feet.
Oh, that's what you meant. I was
Nah,
confused.
I was like, what? I was confused too, dude. Do I get anything for using that right now? I do not. Wow, Toad. It's
Thanks,
almost
Toad.
like we played this game before.
No, he
Hey.
wipes your memory every time.
Hey.
Ooh, Cooper.
Let's see it.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
wow.
Are you kidding me?
Those
He is
dice rolls
in it.
are out of this world today.
In it to win it. Wow, wow, wow.
Damn it, dude.
There's still a few more spots she hasn't been to yet.
You're going through it, Goombert.
Yeah.
Alright, where we going?
Where we
How much to the
dropping?
left?
Oh, right there. I see it right behind her.
Oh. Not to
Oh.
the left, right there.
Well, guess who's closest?
Or Brando.
I think Brando's real closer. Actually, no, you might be closer. Well, now Star's closest.
Yeah, I can't get there. He's got a buddy now. He's powerful. There's like 100 buddy spaces, and we can't get any.
Yeah, I know. Well, I haven't been by any of them except for... Oh, I've been by 2 of them. Yeah, dude, I literally didn't slow down at all last time we played this, and now it's going crazy. Oh, it did one time.
Yeah, I was like, it had its moment.
No, it slowed down a ton last time. Last time too. It was near the end of the game.
Yeah, I remember now. I remember because I wasn't fucking paying attention at all. Whenever it was slowing down.
That's a good spot.
Yeah,
Because then you're...
happening that
you have
reverses
options.
it. So I would have to grab the little stupid Bob-omb minion.
Yeah, he would join you.
But I want to go.
It's funny because it plays like a... There's like a shitty version of the getting a friend jingle. Like, you got a Bob-omb.
That's discrimination, dude.
It is. I mean, Goomba doesn't have arms and he's in this game.
True.
In front of me! Let's go!
Whoa.
Perfect, dude. Thanks, Turnette.
So if I go down
jeez.
there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have the chance to land on a buddy space.
Yeah, you'll get 2 chances.
If I go up here, boost my happening. Is happening star in this game?
I don't know. Because they're random in this game, so I didn't keep track.
And I go up here. I have to grab Bothersome Bob-omb, but I do get access to Wackatoo. If I can somehow get 30 coins by this point, then I'll be set.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that changes the arrow.
Yeah.
So you have to go up.
So I have to go up instead. So the goal,
I thought it was up by default, so I thought I was going to get him when I went up there.
Yo, what up? Ow, ow, ow. Shut up.
Alright.
The no arms gang.
I don't care what I roll, that's not a 1. Okay.
Well, I can't get it, so you're good.
I don't think Star can either.
Just stalling for time.
Dude, what is it with the 1s in this game?
Unless Koopa rolls like a 2, and Star rolls a 6, and he wins the next minigame.
I'm gonna go shopping.
Good idea.
The 1s.
I told you I wasn't gonna be moving.
Again?
Again?
This one's for reals.
Oh, thank
Oh
goodness.
my gosh, but you got 12 fucking coins from that.
Beautiful. Minigame! Ooh, everyone versus the Chaos. Master of Chaos himself. This is a good one.
Yeah. We got this.
Very much enjoy this one.
Oh, it's this one. I was on the other side last time. Oh no, I don't know if I like being on the outside, dude.
There's a lot more room to mess up. Imagine if you could punch your friend.
It was so bad.
I think like
crap, that's true.
Yeah. Every time we play this, like one side loses by like 1. It's wild.
Oh, I missed.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Every second counts.
Come on.
Always that one.
I missed, dude.
Ah!
With my
If I ever got any that were over near me,
dude, Goomba, you were just chilling.
like I'm good at this one, dude. I have good reaction time.
Oh yeah.
Everybody, give me a high five.
I almost didn't high five you guys. I got my little stubby hands, dude. I kept missing.
I punched an entirely different one halfway through. It kept being that bottom right one.
Yeah, it was bottom right a lot.
Threw me off.
No,
So
if I'm in the
does.
middle, if I'm in the one player on that side, I'm really good at that.
I don't think I've ever been alone for that minigame.
Okay.
It'd be interesting to try being on the inside.
Nah, she barely doesn't have enough, dude.
Oh, shoot.
If he had got a 6 block and Koopa got a 2, he would have had a chance.
Yeah.
True. Wait, how did Brando
say?
phrase it?
Inside. He's
Ah.
a 12-year-old.
See? See how easy it is to switch your focus to Brando?
I mean, he isn't first.
We're just chilling in Brando.
46 fucking crimes.
Well, then I give you 1% of sass.
Oh,
well,
damn.
Yeah, for some reason, whenever you sass us, it
Oh,
hurts
more allies. God damn it.
Oh, no!
He's fucking getting friends.
Bowser.
Ew. I wouldn't even.
I didn't get.
I wouldn't even
Monty,
want him, dude.
Would you tell him to float back up?
Bye.
I tossed him in that fucking lava.
Oh.
He is weak to fire.
It's like Goombas, but unoriginal.
Wow.
I wonder. Can I?
Monty. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not Monty.
This strat. Is
Oh, I
+2.
see. Oh.
Oh dang! I was like, if I can stall, then that gives me more
You can
time.
get 30
Hey, you got a
dollars.
buddy too.
Look, you got your first friend.
Wow, Toad! What the heck? You're such a jerk.
Maybe that's what he actually said, though.
What a
Oh my
friendly,
God.
what a friendly guy. He
Oh, and unlucky.
This game does not want me to win.
Poor Goomber.
You know what would be cool? It would be pretty cool if we moved the star.
That wouldn't.
Ow! Wow! Perfect, dude. It's all part of my master strategy.
My master strategy to get me the star.
Wait. Well, maybe still close. It's not letting either of us win, AV.
Is this why you guys want to kill me so bad in these games? Hey, look at that!
Right
Look at what you
there.
fucking did, you idiot!
I did not even have a choice.
You willed it to happen.
Hey, look what I can buy!
Oh my gosh. This isn't even like
God
like
damn it,
when
dude.
Stars sabotaged me in Mario 3D World, dude. This isn't even like that.
I'll let you guys kill each other. I'm just.
Because that was when
Hey, what is this one again?
a versus. I think this one's like a time. This like little mini games.
I'm very sad
like
that this
mini
game
games.
doesn't have like battle games. You know?
Rumble.
Brando, can I have some of your coins?
Yeah. Give me like 5 seconds.
Okay.
Wait for this cutscene to end. The mini games, they don't let you practice. It's just gonna be all of a sudden, so be careful.
Yep. Well, at least
She's-
you can't get that one easily.
She's skirting.
Well, he does have a golden pipe, but still.
Right here, you see it?
Got it!
Ah, it's a battle,
mini.
okay.
Every player.
It's a battle game, but lame.
Oh.
Wow!
Wow!
Whatever.
Who wants my $5? That's what it feels like.
Ah, yes, of
When
course.
you feel that, you gotta press it. It's very weird.
Let's go.
Ooh.
Cool.
I got 2 coins from that. Let's go. Thank you, Brando.
Oh, and it
Anytime.
disappears.
Because it's dumb.
I thought this was a reaction time one. I was like, dude, I totally got
That
this.
was dumb, dude. That was poopy.
That's why I waited.
Lightning round? Ugh.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I'll take it. I was like, I'll
This
take
one
it.
is it's very basic. I think we just run.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I'm out of here, brother. See you later.
I'm gonna stay at the back.
What happens, what happens if you get hit by these kooky guys?
Oh, you lose
Oh,
you
they
lose
spawn
money.
in the back too. I see. I know I'm gonna push you.
Yo, Boo is chilling.
Give me all these crimes. Oh!
Watch out for Grinder! Alright.
Dude, watch out for the B-bills. That's what you need to watch out for.
Yeah, that was out of nowhere. that was
Look,
Fuck.
if you guys let me get coins, I promise I'll make it worth it.
What?
Dude, I'm right behind Lakitu. I'm gonna steal Brando's star if I get 18 coins. Well, that's
Oh.
not happening.
Well.
I know if you guys decided to
Watch
do
out for
that.
B-Bill. Alright, we learned our lesson.
Dude, Star, how are you faster than me, dude?
Dude.
I'm literally fucking floating.
I know, right?
What? I hit that? And now he just body blocked me. Oh.
Oh,
Well, I was off by 2. If I didn't get hit, I would have had enough.
dang.
Dang. I could have stolen a star from Brando, and then he wouldn't be in such a lead.
Well, you can get a +2 and not move.
True. But then I'll have to land on another bad luck spot.
That's true.
Oh wait, I have.
But
30.
you got
I was
enough.
wrong. I'm dumb.
Oh.
Nice.
Well, guess what I gotta do next turn? Use the old Piperoo. Unless...
Ken?
Cooper?
Again?
You should use the money blow.
The worst one known to mankind.
That sucks, dude. What the hell?
You should give
I mean, you
Monty
could
a chance.
get another ally.
You should give Monty a chance.
You've been getting a lot of ones.
Star is memeing, but he's still in second.
It's funny because Goomba's block is basically the same thing.
Oh my god, he got enough.
Wait, he did?
Yup, because of the friends.
Yep.
Wow.
The friends.
Wow. Wowie. Now's your chance for your store.
Luke, he has 3 stars.
Yep. True. And
It is
he's been
true.
getting lucky, but you have more coins, so I have to go for you. I mean, that's the logic here, right? So I just makes sense.
That's
That
the way I
is.
steal. That's the way
There's
I
a
steal.
lot of coinage.
I go for it.
Boom, boom, boom.
By me! Yay! Kind
In the
of.
middle. Middle.
D-Bones has been schmooving across this board.
Yeah.
And an item?
We left custom blocks so he can get another friend. Okay.
I thought he was gonna get a phone. I was like, oh, please, no.
Let me phone a friend, dude. I need a buddy.
Good for you, Star. I don't remember asking though. So if I roll +2, so the thing that I'm afraid of is I roll a 1 and then he rolls a -1. If that happens
could
at the
happen.
very, I would stay on the bad luck spot. So if I get a +2 coins, I'm at least getting coins and cutting my losses.
Yeah, but it's 1/3
I
compared
would
to a
say normal.
1/6.
Look, dude. Okay, if I roll a 1, don't be surprised. Well, it's like a 1/6, and then also okay,
There you go.
Oh, wow.
bruh.
There you go.
friend. I think I get to go to the minigame too.
Ooh.
Let me make sure I'm doing this right. I was like, I don't want to steal from AB, dude. That'd be sad.
No way! I can't believe this!
I also have a golden pipe, so you're gonna get it back anyways.
What?
Thank you.
He looks like he's gonna chuck it right at your dumb head.
True. I am dumb.
He's like, look at me!
Damn, dude.
I wish I had the ability
Rising
to
up the ladder?
voice.
Oh,
Oh.
I have 0 coins!
Wow.
oh, the balloon! I think
Oh, it's random every time? Oh, I wish I
Yeah.
got 15, dude. I
I'm
wanted to
gonna
have
lose
0.
more coins.
You can choose whenever to stop or keep blowing. If you, whoever has the biggest balloon wins. But if you go too far, it'll blow up and you lose. Who's feeling dangerous? guys, guys, chill, chill.
Dude, I thought Stars was bigger than mine, so I kept going. I was like, okay, I'll keep.
What happened to us?
I got 2
Dude,
points for it anyway.
I was just paying attention to Brando. I didn't want Brando to
I
get
was
it.
only paying attention to AV. I was like, oh, his balloon keeps going. Okay, I'm gonna go a little more.
I genuinely thought Stars was bigger than mine, dude. I was like, wow.
I just
But
wanted
I
to
guess
make sure.
I guess Star had the smallest one of all, huh?
I almost had a fucking buddy, man.
We need buddies. Yeah. Before something else happens to my money.
Pretty good idea. Oh wait, you're taking it from me. Not a good idea, dude.
That's funny. We all got second place because we all blew up. So we still ended up getting coins. Woohoo!
Your very own star.
Should've just gone left, dude. I wasn't paying attention.
Woo.
Dude, your eyes look so fake, Daisy.
They do.
I'm looking directly.
Koopa's just fucking mean mugging.
He's got them eyebrows.
I knew it.
Ah, yeah. Alright.
I should have used my brain. What did you land on? Oh.
Got it.
This will do nothing to Star.
True.
Dude, I feel like I did nothing this entire game.
It'd be that way sometimes with this game. Looking for love? Never mind. It's oh no, it's motion controls!
Yay.
This one, guess what, guys? Guess what motion we're doing?
Jerking it.
Yep, not working for some reason.
Yeah, what the hell, dude? Hello?
Swing down while pressing L and R, and then release while swinging back up.
See.
Well, I
think
guess
I
I'm
got
ready. I guess I'm ready. Dude, I've never had my Joy-Con act up like this, and it's not even drift, it's just not wanting... It's wanting to cooperate for this one. I'll just wait. Save my energy.
Yeah. Otherwise, Star
That
was
was a good idea.
Thing I got into him for.
Star
There's a
is,
way to like do big jumps on this, but I have no idea.
Yeah, I can't remember.
Oh, you can?
That's cool, Daisy. Just stop moving.
Dude, that looks
I
so
wish-
stupid.
I wish you guys could see how stupid I look right now. I have my Joy-Con really low because the sensor's been, I don't know, acting up.
Damn, dude. I
I'm so
slowed
getting
down at
last.
some point.
Ah!
Goomba song bouncing on his head.
D-bones.
That's a pretty bad minigame.